My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2023 MG4. This vehicle has done just under 14,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the first page of our screen, we can access Apple and Android CarPlay, charging, radio and AC. On the second page, we have access to our energy management, user manual, vehicle settings and video. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors, Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.